What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you step by step on how to draw Mufasa from The Lion King. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the outside edge of the nose. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to bend this out and then down. And line at the top all the way over on the right side and curve out and then down towards the same height. Now let's bend the nose, coming down and in towards the center of the head. Now from the outside, we're going to draw the top edge of the nose. Starting on the left, we're going to go up, bend it down in the middle, and then go up and then down towards the right. Now let's move down towards the bottom. We're going to draw two ovals, bending this up and then down like a half oval for the nostrils. And we'll fill the nostrils in black. Let's move to the center and draw a fold going up and then down. Now I'm going to work our way across the inside of the eye. Bend this up towards the top of the brow. Let's bend the brow, going up, and then bend that down towards the outside. Now let's go back to the inside. We're going to add a fold, coming in and up across the inside of the brow. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up higher in the middle, and then back down towards the inside. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now let's go back down. We're going to draw the top of the eye, going up and then down. And we'll draw a straight angle line going out towards the tip of the eyebrows. Let's draw the bottom of the eyelid. From this point, we're going to come down and then up on the inside. Let's add a fold across the bottom of the eye. Starting from this point, we're going to come down underneath the eye, and then bend that back up. Now let's go back to the center of each eye, draw a small circle, and then along the top left side of each eye, draw a small circle or highlight. Let's go to the tip of the nose. We're going to draw a straight line coming down, and we'll draw the top of the mouth coming down and out toward the left, and it's out towards the right. Now I'm going to curve the mouth up towards the corners. We'll go up and then bend that out. Now on the ends, let's add a bracket. Now I'm going to separate the top edge of the mouth from the corner, coming down and up towards the side of the nose. Now along the bottom, add a curve going up and then down, and then fill that center area in black. Let's go back to the corner of the mouth and draw on the chin. We're going to start up here, bend this in, and then back out. Now let's round out the corners of the chin, come across the middle, and then up towards the right side. Now that we've completed the face, let's draw the outside edge of the head. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Now from this point, we're going to bend this up and then come down just along the outside of the eye. Do the same thing on the right, going up, and then we'll bend that down. And then from here, it's going to work our way around the cheeks. Let's start back on the left. We're going to come down and out. I just want to add a point of fur with a short line coming in. Let's work our way around, coming out and then back in towards the bottom. Now from this point, we're going to bend this up and then come down towards the side of the chin. Along the outside of the face, we're going to draw some hair on top of the ear. So let's start up here. We're going to bend this down and out, and then bend that back down. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. And then we're going to tuck the ears in behind. From the top of this line, come down, then the ear coming down and out towards the tip. Let's round out the ear, and then come down and in towards the side. Let's trace the ears along the inside. So we're going to step down from the top, coming down and out with a line. And then we want to add a fold. So we're going to step back, curve the bottom of the ear coming back in. Now let's draw the outside of the mane. From that center point, we're going to step over towards the left side. We're going to draw the top, going up, come around, and then down. Now it's going to add a point, coming back in. Now we want to work our way around the ear, going out, and then down on top. Let's go back to the center. We're going to add a fold, going up, and then out. Let's draw the left side of the mane. We're going to start right in the middle, then this up, and then down. It's going to add another point, go out, and then down on top of the ear. Now we're going to draw the bottom of the mane coming around and then in towards the center. So let's start underneath the left ear, coming down and out. I'm going to add a point, go all the way around, in. Let's add one more point on the left side, come across and over towards the bottom. Now we're going to go over towards the right side. We're going to bend this down and out, comes down, let's add a point, come across, and work our way in towards the middle, and then bend that down towards that bottom point. Let's add a little bit of texture across the bottom, starting from the left side of the chin, bend this out, and then down, go over towards the right, draw a shorter curve. And now we're going to go back to the face and draw on those whiskers. Let's start with the top set first, starting on the left side, bend this up, and then out, and just going to line that up on the right. Now we're going to draw 3 more coming down. So we're going to step down, add that second set, and add 2 more. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and there we have it. There's a drawing of Mufasa from The Lion King. If you found today's lesson helpful, give it a like and share with someone else who's also learning how to draw. You can find more step-by-step lessons in our Disney playlist or explore other topics across this channel. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.